Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your total orbs on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. As announced by the platform, a small group of users will begin earning Discord orb, which is a virtual reward that can be used to claim items in the shop. This includes exclusive perks like Nitro credits, Profile, cosmetics, and other first-party rewards, all without needing a payment method. That makes Orb especially useful for users who want to explore Nitro benefits without committing to a subscription. So, on my previous video, I'll show you how to earn the orbs, how to get the orbs, how to accept the quest to get the orbs. But now, what if you want to check all your orbs, your total orbs on your Discord? It's very simple. First of all, first we have to open our Discord, and from here you can just go to your uh, quest, and here you can just select on that, and here you can see your total orbs at the top right corner here. So here's my total orbs on my Discord. If you open the shop, you can buy uh, like orbs exclusive item with this. 1 day Nitro credit or 3 day Nitro credit. And also you can buy like infinite swirl frame from Discord. So it's very simple, right? So that is how to check your total orbs on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.